I think at a certain point of your life, maybe you just want something that call home, the kind of like stable, the place that you can go back anytime when you know there's someone waiting for you there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hello?
ฮัลโหลแก แกอยู่ไหนอะ
บ้าน
แกทำใจดีก่อนแล้วกันนะ
But is there another way that you can find the job and get the visa or something?
It's too late to apply.
Yeah.
I think I just have to go home. For now.